Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In one of my previous videos, I have shown you how to create line chart with gradient shadow, like this. And in this video, I will show you how you can conditionally format markers in line chart, like this. So let's get started.
And here we are in Power BI desktop. So for this purpose, we will need just two inputs. First input will be measure that we want to present. In my case, that is total revenue. Second input will be date column. Next thing that we are going to do is we will add stacked column chart, and later I will explain you why we are starting with bar chart, not with line chart. So let's expand this a little bit and let's add values that I just mentioned, and that is total revenue in y-axis, and we'll add date hierarchy in x-axis. We remove water. Okay, so now let's go to format pane and select columns. Under color, click on conditional formatting. And if you want to format markers, you need to have a rule or a target. In my case, target is that revenue for each month should be above $3,500. If it's below, then marker will be red. So let's change format style to rules, select total revenue, and let's start defining rules. If value is higher than $3,500, change this to number, and if it's lower than maximum value, also set this to number, then color will be green. Let's add new rule, and if value is higher or equal to minimum revenue, change this to number, or less than $3,500, set this to number, value will be red. Select red. Now let's click on OK, and columns have been formatted. Now we can see for each column where revenue was below 3,500, column is red, and if it's above 3,500, it is green. Now we are going to change this bar chart to line chart just by clicking on line chart. Bam! That's it. Now we have markers that are matching our target. What we also could add here is a little bit of formatting. So let me just change background a little bit. Go again to format pane, set transparency, increase it to, let's say, 20%. Close this. Change title to total revenue by month, and let's set text color to, let's say, blue. And next thing what we are going to add is data labels. So turn on data labels. Now we can see for values where revenue is above target, marker is green. Where it's below target, marker is red. But let's also color these data labels. Select data labels, scroll down until value, click on value, and select conditional formatting. And let's set this format style to rules based on total revenue, and let's apply same rule. If it's bigger than 3,500, change it to number, and less than maximum, then it will be green. And if value is higher than minimum value and less than 3,500, then value will be red. Okay, click on OK, and that's it. Now color of values match to color of markers, and this is it. It's very simple and easy. This is a small design trick that you can apply in your reports. And thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. And of course, feel free to leave a comment below. I love hearing your thoughts. See you in the next video. Bye.